My name is Dade Butler. I am the lead customer service agent with Page Optimizer Pro, and today we're going over how to edit the Excel bulk run template file. Please keep in mind that bulk reports are only available to those on the Teams plan. First, we need to know where to download the bulk run Excel template sheet, and that is going to happen in the bulk reports area. In the upper right-hand corner, when we are logged in the account dropdown, we can select bulk projects. Once we select bulk projects, we'll be taken to the bulk runs area. Here, we can download the Excel template sheet by clicking here on this blue hypertext. Once we click on it, it will download the file and then open it up inside of Excel. If you do not have Microsoft Excel, then you can always open an Excel document within Google Spreadsheets. Go to the File drop-down menu and then select Open. Once you select Open, go to the Upload menu and then click Browse. From here, select the bulk demo document and then Open. This will open the Excel document and allow you to edit it. Once you've completed your edits, you'll want to go to the File drop-down menu and then to Download. Here, you can download the Google Spreadsheet document as a Microsoft Excel file. But for today, we'll be editing inside of Microsoft Excel. First, we need to give the Excel document the project name we would like our page to be created in. For today, we'll set it to Pop Bulk Run Vid. In column B, we need to give our page a name. We'll be giving it the name of Bulk Run 3. Next, we need to specify the target URL for this particular page. For this particular run, we'll be giving it the URL of Page Optimizer Pro. Next, we need to set up if the page has or has not been built yet. If the page has been built, we need to set column D to false. However, if the page doesn't exist yet, then we need to set column D to true. In column E, we need to select the keyword for this particular bulk run page. For this bulk run page, we'll select SEO. In column F, we're manually typing in variations that we would like this report to have. These variations will be used in the event that Page Optimizer Pro can't find variations when looking up our particular keyword inside of the SERPs. For this particular run, we'll be using H1, title tag, schema, and finally Google. In column G, we need to select a target language for our report. Page Optimizer Pro has 60 total languages, so chances are, if it's spoken, it's within Page Optimizer Pro. But today, we're going to be using English, as this is the language that our page will be typed in. In column H, we need to select if this page needs special language support. If your language combines nouns and adjectives into one word, then it's best to turn this on. You can do so by typing yes. However, if your page does not need special language support, then you want to set this cell to no. In column I, we have the location setting. Our options are Canada, UK, South America, US, EU, Australia, and Asia. Today, we'll be using the United States server. In columns J and K, we specify if we want this report to generate with Google's NLP and EEAT information. It's important to remember that both Google's NLP and EEAT still cost us POP credits. For Google's NLP, it'll cost us 2 POP credits per bulk run that we have generate with this information. For EEAT, it'll cost us 1 total POP credit for each run that we have generate with this information. That's a total of 3 POP credits if we want a report to generate with both datasets. We want this to be the case, so we'll set both columns to true. In columns L and M, we specify our competitors. In column L, we specify what competitor URLs we would like to include in the report. In column M, we specify which of those competitors is our focus competition. In column N, we can let Pop pick competitors for us if we say yes. If we say no, then Pop won't pick our competition for us, and we have to do so manually. Please remember, if you say yes, then Page Optimizer Pro will automatically select your competitor URLs as well as your focus competition. For my report, I want Page Optimizer Pro to select my competition for me. So I'll say yes. With that, we have successfully filled out our bulk run document, so we need to save. We can do so by hitting Ctrl S. With our document saved, we now need to go to the bulk run area and upload our document. With that, you know everything you need to know in order to set up your bulk run sheet. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and happy optimizing!